Most people get this wrong. They think Liberty Pocket Pay is just another high-fee payday app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it has transformed into a fast, flexible, and user-friendly platform for accessing short-term cash while helping you stay on top of your finances. Here's how it works. Liberty Pocket Pay lets users request a small advance on earned wages or split urgent expenses into manageable installments. Funds often arrive within hours, making it perfect for unexpected bills, car repairs, or medical emergencies. The app also provides clear repayment schedules and notifications to prevent missed payments. A standout feature is its financial insights. Liberty Pocket Pay tracks repayment progress, upcoming obligations, and spending patterns. This turns it into more than a cash advance service. It's a short-term financial management tool. The downside? Relying on advances too frequently can get expensive. The best approach is occasional use for emergencies or planned short-term needs. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only borrow what you can repay on time. 2. Track repayment dates carefully. 3. Use the financial tracking tools to stay organized. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need fast cash or prefer flexible payment options. Those prone to overspending may face higher fees. In conclusion, Liberty Pocket Pay in 2026 is practical, fast, and smart, but only when used wisely. Use it for emergencies, plan repayments carefully, and monitor spending. Subscribe for more honest reviews and actionable financial tips.